Hi, I'm Olaf Knebel, working as Technical Project Manager for Gauzy. So we're here for a 3-day platinum training with our customers. We train our customer in cutting the films, applying the bus bars, basic wiring, attachment of films, and controller installation on the facility. When partners join our training program, they unlock a host of benefits. They can boost their income by incorporating our high ROI smart films products into their existing services. The training equips them with the know-how to expertly handle and install our premium patented smart film technologies, ensuring they can meet customer quality expectations. Plus, they can gain access to tailored training, comprehensive materials and ongoing support that fits their business needs and experience levels. Once certified, they can hit the ground running with new projects, differentiate themselves in the market and have full backing from our manufacturer's warranty and technical support.